Imagine sitting in yet another strategy meeting, drawing in reports, charts, and conflicting opinions. You are trying to map out the future, but every decision feels like a guessing game. Sounds familiar? What if I told you there is a way to cut through the confusion and actually create a roadmap that works? That's where SWOT and SOAR come in. These two frameworks can help you assess your business, make smarter moves, and stay ahead of the competition. But here's the kicker. Not all strategies are created equal. Which one is right for you? Stick around because we are about to break it all down. Every business leader wants to make smart strategic decisions, but let's be honest, the strategic planning sessions feel like a never-ending maze. Well, today we're cutting through the noise and talking about two powerful frameworks, SWOT and SOAR analysis. Which one should you use? Let's find out. First up, SWOT analysis. It's a classic used in boardrooms worldwide. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's all about assessing where your business stands internally and externally. Here is how it works. Strengths. What does your company do well? Your company's strengths are the foundation of its success. These are the unique advantages, capabilities, and resources that set you apart from competitors. Can include a strong brand reputation, loyal customers, innovative products, efficient processes, or a talented team. Maybe you excel in customer service, have a cutting-edge technology, or dominate a niche market. Identifying these strengths helps you leverage them for growth, capitalize on opportunities, and build a competitive edge. The key is to focus on what you do best and find ways to maximize those strengths in every aspect of your business strategy. What makes your company stand out? Weaknesses. Where are the gaps or pain points? Every business has weaknesses. Acknowledging them is the first step toward improvement. Weaknesses are the internal factors that hold your company back, such as outdated technology, inefficient processes, lack of brand awareness, or skill gaps in your team. Maybe customer retention is low or your pricing isn't competitive. These pain points can limit growth, affect profitability, and make you vulnerable to competitors. Identifying weaknesses isn't about dwelling on the negatives. It's about finding opportunities to improve. Once you pinpoint these gaps, you can create strategies to strengthen your business, enhance efficiency, and turn weaknesses into areas of growth and innovation. Opportunities. What external factors can you leverage? Opportunities are external factors that your business can capitalize on to grow and gain a competitive edge. This could be emerging market trends, technological advancements, shifts in consumer behaviors, or gaps in the industry that you can fill. Maybe there is a rise in demand for your product, a new partnership possibility, or an untapped audience waiting to be served. Economic changes, industry innovations, or even competitor weaknesses can open doors for expansion. The key is to stay aware, adaptable, and proactive. By recognizing and acting on opportunities, your business can position itself for long-term success and sustainable growth. What's your next big move? Threats. What challenges could harm your business? Threats are external challenges that could negatively impact your business if left unaddressed. This can include economic downturns, new competitors, changing regulations, evolving customer preferences, or supply chain disruptions. Technological advancements can also pose risks if your business fails to adapt. Even a strong company can struggle if industry trends shift, costs rise or brand reputation takes a hit. Identifying threats early allows you to develop strategies to mitigate risks, stay competitive, and protect your business from potential setbacks. The key is to be proactive, not reactive. Anticipate challenges, adapt quickly, and turn potential threats into opportunities for innovation. By identifying these factors, you'll be in a much better position to make informed decisions and develop effective strategies. A SWOT analysis is like a roadmap for your business. It helps you maximize your strengths, identify and fix weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, protect against threats. It's all about creating a clear picture of where your business stands and how you can move forward strategically. Or like a business checkup, it highlights what's working and what's not. But let's be realistic. Sometimes SWOT gets a little too focused on problems, right? Enter SOAR. SOAR stands for strengths, opportunities, aspirations, and results. It shifts the mindset from problem solving to vision building. Instead of dwelling on weaknesses and threats, SOAR asks, where do we want to go and how do we get there? Strengths. What are we great at? Opportunities. What can we capitalize on? We already talked about it. Next, aspirations. What is our bold vision for the future? Aspirations define the bold vision that drives your business forward. They go beyond short-term goals and focus on the bigger picture. Where do you see your company in 5, 10, or 20 years? Maybe you want to be the industry leader, expand globally, or revolutionize how customers experience your product. Aspirations inspire teams, align strategy, and create a sense of purpose. They should be ambitious yet achievable, motivating everyone to push beyond the status quo. By setting a clear vision, you create direction and momentum, turning dreams into actionable goals that fuel long-term success. What's the future you're building? Results. How will we measure success? Results are the measurable outcomes that determine whether your business is achieving its goals. Success isn't just about growth. It's about tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, that align with your aspirations. This could include revenue milestones, customer satisfaction scores, market share growth, or operational efficiency improvements. Clear metrics provide direction, accountability, and motivation for your team. Without them, strategy is just guesswork. The key is to set realistic, data-driven benchmarks that reflect progress, whether it's increasing sales, enhancing brand loyalty, or scaling operations. Defining success ensures your business stays focused and on the path to greatness. Think of SOAR as SWOT's optimistic cousin. It's perfect for leaders who want to inspire their teams and focus on growth. But before you pick your favorite, let's compare these two approaches. Which is right for your business? Let's break it down. Use SWOT when you need a full risk assessment, like during major business changes, market shifts, or crisis management. But if you are planning for the future, SOAR is your go-to. It's great for strategic planning, team alignment, and innovation. Let's say you run a growing tech startup. A SWOT analysis might reveal that you have strong innovation strengths but limited market share weakness, while new funding opportunity could help, but competition is fierce threat. On the flip side, a SOAR approach would focus on leveraging that innovation strengths, expanding into new markets opportunity, defining a bold vision for industry leadership aspirations, and setting clear KPIs for success results. See the difference? Let's take a look at SWOT and SOAR analysis for a transportation and logistics company. Strengths. Well-established distribution satisfaction scores through faster, more reliable services. This comparison shows how SWOT helps risk assessment, while SOAR focuses on future growth and aspirations. It's not about choosing one over the other. It's about knowing when to use each. So tell me, are you Team SWOT or Team SOAR? Could you drop a comment below and let's discuss it? If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more business strategy insights. See you next time.